alternating ummies, which is fun, right? So we've just finished the figure of 8 series. If you've got no idea what I'm talking about, check out my YouTube channel. There's so many videos to choose from and to watch. And now we are starting the circle series, and we're starting off with some ummies, which is interior hip circles. Interior being really muscular and exterior being more skeleton, okay? So check out previous video first, if you don't know what an ummy is, and then come back to me, because this one we're going to go straight into alternations with a quick recap, okay? So I'm also going to talk about tips for beginners, intermediate and advanced dancers. So let's quickly go over the ummy and I'll give you some tips. So if you're a complete beginner, we're going to really want to focus on the technique and the posture and where the legs are, where the weight is, and what muscles you're using to help you get a better ummy, okay? So let's start off with that. So bend the knees, keep the heels firmly on the floor, make sure you're warm first, please, and then come back and see me if you're not warm enough yet. So we're going to go up and down through the legs. Just quick crash course revision in the ummy. Otherwise, go and see my other video, which breaks it down in more detail. Okay, the knees going forward and back, relax the legs. It's very important that you relax the body, otherwise you're fighting what you're trying to achieve. Yeah, we want to be relaxed but engaged. It's what we teach in my school, to be relaxed and engaged. Alright, so from here we're going up and down. Now, if you are a complete beginner, you're only going to want to think about lifting and dropping the pelvis, okay? So lifting and dropping. Think like Michael Jackson. Oh! That's always my go-to, okay? So that's what you want to think of, is just the pelvis, okay? So if you are intermediate to advanced dancer, I would like you to focus on contracting only the lower abdominals. So lower abdominals and then release. Lower abdominals, 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 release. Right, reason being is that when you are a more advanced dancer with your ummies, and we want to do things like layering and some other really cool stuff, it will be very difficult for you to achieve if you're contracting your whole abdominal wall. So from now, let's try to just focus on getting the lower abdominals working. That might take you a while. If you're a complete beginner, this probably is too much. So in which case, just focus on lifting and dropping the pelvis. Okay? Alright, from here, we're going to put them together, and I would like you to roll the hips, pass through center, and if you're a more advanced dancer, pass through a lower abdominal contraction, and try to keep this bit nice and relaxed. So, we'll start on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make a circle. And come through your lower abdominals. Let's have 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go the other way. So we're going to start on this side. Feet firmly on the floor. Try to really relax the legs. So 1, lift, up, release to neutral. 1, lift, lower abdominal contraction. Other side, neutral. 1, lift, side, neutral. Smooth it out. Relax the arms, relax the fingers. 1, 2, relax the legs. 3, smile. That's also part of the requirements. 4, 3, 2. Alright, from here, we're going to quickly talk about making it a little bit more advanced for those of you who are more advanced. So, we are really utilizing our obliques, our lower abdominals. If you've got a good back, and only if you've got a good back, you can use a little bit of your muscles down here, okay? I'm going to go too much into details with what exactly those muscles are, but they're here, but only a little bit, okay? So you're not throwing your back out, and it's very minute, only if you haven't got a bad back. Bad back, completely ignore what I'm saying. Okay, so not only are your legs relaxed if you're more advanced, but you want to really get into the muscle, really get into the muscle, really get into the muscle and release it. So in my school and in my teacher training, we talk about muscle contractions and exactly what muscles we're using for every single move and how to utilize them. But we also talk about the difference in contractions. We go quite deep. This is probably like, whoa, what is she talking about? If you come to my classes or you take my online classes on my website, not the YouTube videos, you will learn a lot more about your body and your muscles and how to dance safely, effectively, and precisely. Okay, so let's get this going. Alright, so now we're going to take it into the alternating ummies. Okay, so if I face slightly diagonal for you maybe, let's do 4 in one direction and then 4 in the other. 4 and 4. Doesn't really matter what way you start, just make sure you alternate. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to stop on the right or your left and we're going to reverse it. Okay, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's almost like 3 and a half. And you stop on this side. Then you're going to bring it back the way you came. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember everything I said. You want to try and get your muscles as involved as possible. But you're looking for engagement, not tension. Yeah, it's very, very important. We also talk about that a lot in my school and how to achieve that. Otherwise, you're just very tight and you're fighting everything that you're trying to do because we're working with our body in isolations. So, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Stop on the side. 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 1. The music is by Tribal from the Trap. Lots of music to choose from. Check them out too. They also have a YouTube page. And I've got loads of music videos with them, so check it out. They're on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, all sorts. And around and around. Okay, now let's do it in 2s. Okay, so it's more like 1.5 because you're going to go round and round, stop on the side, round and round, stop on the side, round and round, stop on the side, round and round, stop on the side. 5, 6, 7, round, stop on the side, round and stop, round, round, 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 stop. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and. Okay, so if you're more advanced, I want you to do it again. But I want you to think about really being precise and accurate. Get the full shape and get the stop. Get the full shape, get the stop. Yeah? Okay, so now 1.5. So we'll go round, stop. This time, I'm going to ask you to stop in a lift in the front. Okay? So for no particular reason other than what's coming next. Okay, so round, round, lock, 1 and stop, 1 and lift, round and lift, round and lift, lower abdominals. So if you're a complete beginner, you're only probably going to want to focus on just making sure your circle is alternating. If you're more advanced, I want you to get into your low abdominals. 1, lock, 2, lock, round, lock, round, lock, round, lock, and on the other side, round, lock, round, lock, round, lock, round, lock, round, lock. Make sure nothing else is moving, because we're belly dancing, we're isolating, trying to keep everything nice and clean. We want all the attention to go where it's intended. And in this case, the intention is here. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, and round, stop, round, stop, round, stop, round, stop, round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, more advanced. Or even if you are not as advanced, but you want to give it a go, we're going to go double time. Faster. Okay, breathe, focus, keep it smaller because we're going faster, and try to maintain your technique and your isolations. 5, 6, 7, and round, stop, round, stop, round, stop, round, stop, round, 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 round. Okay. Last time. Everybody's like, whoa. Just keep going. until you get the technique becomes more fluid, because only when you know what you're doing and your brain has chance to digest and actually be aware of what you're doing will you be able to go faster, more effectively. But I always say to my students, you cannot progress without vulnerability, and you cannot progress without, basically, progress is a process. And this is something I say to my students all the time. It's one of the things that we live by in classes. So, progress is a process. Remember that. Okay. 7 and round, 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 round. Okay, enough. So this was the alternating ummies. You can do them as many times as you want. Doesn't really matter. Okay. But thank you for watching, and check out my YouTube channel. As I said before, there's loads and loads of videos. If you want to learn properly, as in structured, and grow with me through all the levels from beginners to advanced, and even in the fusion classes, you need to do the classes on my website instead. They're much more involved, if you like. We film all the classes that are here in my studio for my students, and they're uploaded to the website, so you can watch the exact classes as if you was here in person and train with us week by week, term by term, year by year, and before you know it, you have learned so much. Anyway, thank you very much. It's MrBellyDance.com, and bye-bye.